Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Lovable versus Emergent. So, you might be wondering if you should get Lovable or Emergent, or you're just comparing these two platforms here and basically deciding which one is better. Well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Let's start with Emergent. Now, with Emergent, the experience feels a lot like working with a very technical AI dev team. You describe your idea in plain language, but instead of instantly spitting out a finished app, Emergent asks questions, reasons through the logic, and builds things step by step using multiple AI agents. Now, people who review it on platforms or in different discussions often think that this makes Emergent feel powerful, especially for apps that need real backend logic, databases, and even authentication and more complex workflows. Now, it doesn't just generate a UI, it actually wires together a full stack application with real code you can export and keep. Now, that's a huge plus for founders who want ownership and flexibility. Now, at the same time, this step is where some frustration shows up. So, real user feedback consistently mentioned that Emergent can feel slow and expensive. Builds take longer, and because it runs on a credit system, credits can burn fast. When you're iterating or fixing things, the AI misunderstood. Several discussions or threads out there describe situations where the app technically worked, but not quite how they wanted. Now, fixing those details meant spending more credits, so the general feeling is that Emergent works best when you already have a clear idea of your app's logic and don't mind spending time guiding the AI carefully. So when that happens, people tend to be impressed by how real the final product feels. Now, when you switch to Lovable here, well, the tone of reviews it usually changes. Now, Lovable is often is described as faster, now more visual and easier to iterate with. Now, instead of long conversational back and forth, Lovable tends to generate a working app much quicker and then lets you visually edit the interface while keeping the code in sync. Now, reviews out there from communities often highlight how helpful that is, especially if you're testing ideas or basically making frequent changes. Now, you don't feel as locked into the AI first output. Now, Lovable also gets a lot of praise for its smoother onboarding and integrations. Now, people mention that things like authentication, basic security, and third party services are easier to plug in without needing to deeply explain every step. Now, that's why many non tech founders and solo builders say Lovable feels less intimidating and more forgiving. Now, you can move fast, tweak things visually, and still end up with something usable without constantly worrying about back end logic details. Now, that doesn't mean Lovable is perfect here. So, some experienced builders say it doesn't go quite as deep as Emergent when it comes to highly customized backend behavior. Now, if you're trying to build something very logic heavy or unusual, Lovable can feel a bit constrained compared to Emergent's more agent driven approach. But for most MVPs, internal tools, and early stage products, reviews suggest that that limitations rarely becomes a blocker here. So when you look at how people actually compare these two platforms, well, the difference is pretty clear. Now, Emergent is usually described as more powerful but demanding tool. It shines when complexity matters and you're willing to invest time and credits to get things right. Now, Lovable, on the other hand, is often seen as more practical choice for most builders, especially if speed, ease of use, and iteration matter more than deep backend control. Now, that's why across different discussions, Lovable often gets labeled the better all-around option. Now, while Emergent is respected though for that, but approach more cautiously. Now, it's less about which one is better overall, and more about whether you value power and control or speed and simplicity. And that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.